Now when the building of the wall was complete, and I had put up the doors, and the doorkeepers and the music makers and the Levites had been given their places, I made my brother Hanani, and Hananiah, the ruler of the tower, responsible for the government of Jerusalem, for he was a man of good faith, fearing God more than most. And I said to them, "Do not let the doors of Jerusalem be opened till the sun is high, and while the watchmen are in their places, let the doors be shut and locked, and let the people of Jerusalem be put on watch, every one in his watch, opposite his house." Now the town was wide and great, but the people in it were only a small number, and the houses had not been put up. And my God put it into my heart to get together the rulers and the chiefs and the people so that they might be listed by families. And I came across a record of the names of those who came up at the first, and in it I saw these words: "These are the people of the divisions of the kingdom, among those who had been made prisoners by Nebuchadnezzar, the king of Babylon, and taken away by him, who went back to Jerusalem and Judah, every one to his town, who came with Zerubbabel, Jeshua, Nehemiah, Azariah, Ramiah, Nahamani, Mordecai, Bilshan, Mispereth, Bigvai, Nahum, Baanah. The number of the men of the people of Israel. The children of Parosh, 2,172. The children of Shephatiah, 372. The children of Ara, 652. The children of Pahath Moab, of the children of Jeshua and Joab, 2,818. The children of Elam, 1,254. The children of Zattu, 845. The children of Zakkai, 760. The children of Binnui, 648. The children of Bebai, 628. The children of Azgad, 2,322. The children of Adonikam, 667. The children of Bigvai, 2,067. The children of Adin, 655. The children of Atta, of Hezekiah, 98. The children of Hashem, 328. The children of Bezai, 324. The children of Hariph, 112. The children of Gibeon, 95. The men of Bethlehem and Netopha, 188. The men of Anathoth, 128. The men of Beth Asmaveth, 42. The men of Kiriath Jearim, Chephirah, and Beeroth, 743. The men of Ramah and Geba, 621. The men of Michmas, 122. The men of Beth El and Ai, 123. The men of the other Nebo, 52. The children of the other Elam, 1,254. The children of Haram, 320. The children of Jericho, 345. The children of Lod, Hadid, and Ono, 721. The children of Senah, 3,930. The priests, the children of Jediah, of the family of Jeshua, 973. The children of Immer, 1,052. The children of Pashhur, 1,247. The children of Haram, 1,017. The Levites, the children of Jeshua, of Kadmiel, of the children of Hadavah, 74. the music makers, the children of Asaph, 148. The doorkeepers, the children of Shallum, the children of Atter, the children of Talmon, the children of Akub, the children of Hatita, the children of Shabai, 138. The Nethinim, the children of Zia, the children of Hasupha, the children of Tabi, the children of Keros, the children of Seir, the children of Paddan, the children of Labana, the children of Hagaba, the children of Salmai, the children of Hanan, the children of Giddel, the children of Gaha, the children of Reiah, the children of Rezin, the children of Nekoda, the children of Gazam, the children of Uzzah, the children of Paseah, the children of Basai, the children of Munim, the children of Nephashezim, the children of Bakbuk, the children of Hakupha, the children of Harher, the children of Bazluth, the children of Mahida, the children of Harsha, the children of Barkos, the children of Sisera, the children of Tema, the children of Neziah, the children of Hatipha, the children of Solomon's servants, the children of Satai, the children of Sopharith, the children of Perida, the children of Jala, the children of Darkon, the children of Giddel, the children of Shephatiah, the children of Hattil, the children of Poshereth Hazabaim, the children of Ammon. All the Nethinim and the children of Solomon's servants were 392. All these were the people who went up from Telephone Mellah, Telephone Harsha, Cherub, Addon, and Immer. But because they had no knowledge of their fathers' families or offspring, it was not certain if they were Israelites. The children of Deliah, the children of Tobiah, the children of Nekoda, 642. And of the priests, the children of Hobaiah, the children of Hakkoz, the children of Barzillai, who was married to one of the daughters of Barzillai the Gileadite, and took their name. They made search for their record among the lists of families, but their names were nowhere to be seen, so they were looked on as unclean and no longer priests. And the Tirshatha said that they were not to have the most holy things for their food, till a priest came to give decision by the Urim and Thummim. The number of all the people together was 42,360. As well as their men servants and their women servants, of whom there were 7,337, and they had 245 men and women to make music. They had 736 horses, 245 transport beasts, 435 camels, 6,720 asses. And some of the heads of families gave money for the work. The Tirshatha gave into the store 1,000 darics of gold, 50 basins, 530 priests' robes. And some of the heads of families gave into the store for the work 20,000 darics of gold, and 2,200 pounds of silver. And that which the rest of the people gave was 20,000 darics of gold, and 2,000 pounds of silver, and 67 priests' robes. So the priests and the Levites and the doorkeepers and the music makers and some of the people and the Nethinim, and all Israel, were living in their towns.